Hello ladies and gentlemen, so this is our solar tracker. It is almost midnight and it is Monday, and tomorrow is our presentation. Unfortunately, there were a lot of problems and we had to just improvise. We had to create something very similar to what we originally thought of, except that instead of having mirrors in a parabolic shape to be able to collect and concentrate the sun, we had to now go with a solar panel. And this is a 30-watt solar panel, and in essence still gonna do the same thing, except now instead of concentrating the sun to be able to heat up water, we're gonna be able to use it to have electricity. So this here is the frame. My beautiful wife is doing all the recording. So if you come around please. This is the frame. This is the sprocket. These are some rubber bands that are holding tension on the chain so that the chain doesn't get off track. These here are the limit switch stoppers. This one is a little loose, so I'm gonna have to fix it in a little bit. Limit switch stoppers. This is where it hits the stopper, and this is where it controls it. The motor. Here are the photo dials, or photo sensors. One goes to the east, the other one goes to the west. And if you look down there please into the box, the box there has got a power converter from 120 to 12 volts. And I'm looking for a flashlight, but I'll get another type of light right now. Here it is. So here's the converter. This is what converts the energy from 120 to 12 volts. And this is our drive system. And up here we have the power. Two top wires is power. Second Y wires, that's the motor, which could be bipolarity. You know, the polarity can change for either direction. The second wires down, the four next wires, are the limit switch stoppers, and the last four wires are directed to the photodiodes. These right here are so that we can actually perform it manually for presentation on the event that we don't have any sun. But we're gonna do a small presentation as to how it will work with the flashlights. We're gonna turn off the light, and we're gonna show you guys that with the flashlight it will still be able to function. So get closer please. So with the flashlight, as you can see, it's mimicking as if it had the sun, and it's going in the direction that we want it to go. If we shine the light to the other side, it'll start turning in the opposite direction. And this is just with a flashlight, and this is what the solar collector is supposed to do. It's supposed to track the sun from east to west. It's supposed to hit the limit switch stoppers and stop. So we're gonna do a manual demonstration as to how, once it hit the limit switch stoppers, it will stop. So if you can point towards the limit switch stoppers please when it hits the limit switch. So we're gonna go to the left and it stops. And if we go to the right, it'll come around. Oh, and again, that was my limit switch being loose, and I'm gonna fix it right now. Thank you very much. Bye bye.